In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up shipping on Shopify. To begin, sign into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you are in, look to the left-hand menu and open Settings. Inside Settings, select Shipping and Delivery. This is the main area where Shopify lets you control how shipping is calculated and shown to customers at checkout. When you arrive on the Shipping and Delivery page, you will see Shipping Profiles. A shipping profile is a way to group products so they share the same shipping rules and rates. The first one to pay attention to is the General Profile. In most stores, the majority of products should remain in the General Profile. The reason is simple: it helps you avoid rate stacking. Rate stacking happens when products are split across multiple profiles, and Shopify adds separate shipping charges together at checkout. That can make shipping look unexpectedly expensive for customers, even if the items are small or easy to ship together. As a best practice, keep standard items in the General Profile so your shipping stays consistent and predictable. Next, use a custom profile only when you have a clear reason to separate certain products. For example, if you sell fragile items that require special packaging, oversized products that cost more to ship, or products that ship from a different warehouse or location, those items may need different rates and rules. In that case, create a custom profile. To do that, find the option to create a new profile and click Create New Profile. After the new profile is created, add only the specific products that belong there. This part is important. You want the custom profile to include only items that truly need different handling, because the more products you split into separate profiles, the more likely you are to run into rate stacking. As you organize products between the General Profile and any custom profiles, take a moment to think about how customers typically buy from your store. Keeping most items together usually produces the cleanest shipping experience and reduces surprises at checkout. Once your products are assigned to the right profiles, your shipping setup is structured correctly and ready for you to apply the appropriate rates within each profile as needed. And that is all there is to it.